Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the dimensions here. The base dimension is 60 and 70 plus 10 80. So you can create this U shape first, then you can add the remaining features. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extruded boss, select the right plane, select line, create one rough sketch, give the dimensions. This length is 60, this flange thickness is 10 mm. This is 10, this is also 10, here to here 80, this is also 10 mm. This length is 50 mm. That's it. Finish sketch. Select here mid plane. The dimension is so in the drawing the dimension is not there, we can give here 80 mm. Control 7. Next we can create this part. The outer dia is 40, inner diameter is 20, height is 30 mm. For that, select this surface, sketch, create circle here, give the dimensions 40 and this is 20, height is 30. Give the one more alignment here, vertical, select line, create line like this, give the tangent constraint for this. Now we can see sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, extrude, select this first, reverse the direction. The thickness is, flange thickness is 10 mm and circular part thickness is 25 mm. Give the dimensions 10. Next, select sketch again, extrude, select this circular part, reverse the direction, give the dimension 25 mm. Control 7 for ISO view. Next, bottom also there is a circular part. The outer dia is 50, inner diameter is 30, thickness is 10 mm. Select this surface, sketch, create two circles, give the dimension 50 and 30 mm. From the bottom height is center of the part, give the dimension 40 mm. and also select here this and this both circles, give here concentric constraint, give the vertical alignment, the sketch is fully defined, finish sketch, extruded bars up to 10 mm. Next, here to here there is a one rib. So try with the rib command. First create the sketch, right plane, sketch, give the vertical alignment, so there is a fillet, so we can do it now or can do it later also. Finish, select rib command, reverse the direction, 10 mm is okay. So here we need to do one thing, we need to extend these lines little bit. Let us try now. Okay, now the rib is done. So here also two ribs is there. For that we can take one plane here, give 30 mm, okay. Select the plane now, sketch, create line like this, finish sketch, select rib here, 10 mm thickness is okay. So here also we need to extend some lines. Yeah. So mirror this rib, mirror about center plane, okay. So hide this mirror, there is a two holes, diameter 15, the dimension is from the side 15 and 21. Select hole wizard, it's a simple hole, change the drill size here, diameter 15, here change it into blind, give the dimension up to 12 mm. Go to positions, select this surface, place two holes, give the dimension here to here 15, here to here 21. give the horizontal alignment. So you can see the holes is done. So that's it. Here there is a R20 cutout is there in the bottom. Select this surface, create one circle here, dia 40, give the dimension 40 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Here you can select through hole. Okay. Control 7. That's it, friends. We can assign material here. In the steel, I will go with stainless steel. Apply. Edit appearances. Edit the color here. Okay. Next we can change these whole colors to identify the machining surfaces. Remove this part first. Select faces here. Okay. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.